Hey guys, I'm just stopping at a stand here at Fespa. I know you guys are slowly talking about 3D printing and how it's going to hit the market. I'm looking at one of the bigger machines on the market, which is a massive 1800. It's a pretty big machine. These guys are building a statue and they're doing it in pieces, as you can see here. 3D printing is still a pretty slow and arduous process, which is the reason why it's probably, good for micro runs. It's not great for production runs as of yet. But the cool things for sign makers, they're slowly getting into really cool products. And I'll just take you around and show you some of the stuff that's being done. So you can see this statue here. I'll get back so you can see it in all its glory. So this statue here is actually done in multiple pieces and then joined up. It's later painted as well. You also see the deer on the right. That's done in, I'm not sure if it's done in 1 or 2 pieces. And you can see those samples there being held and played with. The other cool thing is you've got some ready-made sort of items here. So what these guys have done is they've finished up the product and they've had it hand painted. But where the market's going to slowly move to in the future is you're going to have printers out there that are actually able to print on these things. So it's not actually done by hand anymore. So that's where the market's sort of heading with 3D printing. The issues are right now are obviously speed and production costs, but it'll slowly get bigger and bigger. It's a growing market.